Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dia. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to take you guys along on my daughter's little bedroom makeover. If you have been around, you know that my daughter was off at college at ASU, and this January she decided that college was not for her, so she came back home to stay with us and try and figure out what exactly she wants to do in life. And it's been 6 months now, and she decided to finally go ahead and make her room her own again. While she was gone, this was my office space. There's no sign of her leaving anytime soon, so we thought we would set the room up the way she wants to make herself at home. She's now working with us on our photography business, so she does a lot of work from home for us, and she wanted to make sure her little space was all set up and cozy. So that's what we're going to do today. I just wanted to bring you guys along, maybe inspire you to do a little remodel on one of your bedrooms. Most of the stuff is being repurposed from other parts of the house or stuff that she brought back with her from her apartment in Arizona. As you can see, her bedroom is pretty plain right now. We just brought over the basics that she had, and I gave her my old desk, so she started using that to do work for us. She has her little coffee maker with her, and the pictures and the shelves I already had up, and I made her keep them there, so we're gonna probably end up taking those down too. But her bed, she decided she didn't want along this wall, so that's what we did first. We went ahead and started rearranging the furniture to set it up in a way that would make her feel more productive and comfortable. And this is us discussing where she's going to put her lamp. I kept telling her that it would not work in this space, but of course she had to see it for herself before she finally agreed with me.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love.
My daughter's goal for her bed was to make it a little bit more feminine and inviting, so she got these sheets from Amazon, and the pillows that I'm about to bring in are from Pillowpilla. Thank you, Pillowpilla, for sponsoring this part of the video. Pillowpilla was founded by Pia, the daughter of a musician, and she created this home accessory shop for those who crave a relaxed style over sharp edges and trendy pieces. Their collections are designed to be lived in, and they are soft, playful pieces where form and function are equal. My daughter chose the Shindy pillow in heavy cream because of its simplicity. It's a handcrafted rag rug pillow that's heavyweight with a soft and sturdy feel to it. It has a brass zipper at the bottom that allows you to easily remove the inserts so that you can wash the covers. We were waiting for the pillows to arrive so we could decide which blanket we wanted to use for her bed, and nothing was working, so she decided she's gonna go ahead and order a big fluffy comforter, but in the meantime, we're just gonna use this blanket here. And that's it for her little bedroom makeover. She loves it. We still need to find a comforter that will match with these pillows and keep the aesthetic of her room, but she loves the new setup. She loves the new layout. We brought over her little bookshelf from her old apartment that she can keep her books in right near her bed. And this is what the pillows look like. A few thoughts on these pillows. They are very sturdy pillows. They're very moldable, but they are a little bit more on the stiff side because they are a rug-like material, but they're perfect for sitting up against, especially when she's doing work from her bed, and she loves how minimal they look. Also, full disclosure, when I was stuffing one of these pillowcases, it came unsewn a little bit on the end with the zipper, and I reached out to Pillowpilla and they apologized and said they would send me a new one right away. They value providing great customer service and an awesome product. On the other side of the room, she decided to go ahead and keep our family pictures up there, and she has her little coffee maker over here because we are Nespresso people and she has a Keurig, so she likes to keep it in her room. And then she keeps all of her coffee supplies in this little Ikea shelf. I love her desk over on this wall. This is where I actually had this desk when I used this as my office, so she feels like she has a designated little office space now. And of course, we can't forget her little closet setup. She is so proud of how organized and clean it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe got some ideas for revamping some of the spots in your house. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, make sure you hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.